Today I'll show you how to remove your summer tire into a winter tire. First, I'm gonna apply the emergency brake inside the car. Okay, American size tools you need 13-16, and Japanese tools you need 17 or 19 socket, deep socket. First, because mine I got a lock in my wheel, so I need to unlock the thing. You must have a tool to unlock your wheels. You're gonna have to loosen up the nut first. Loosen up the wheel nuts. My car comes with 5, but some car come with 4 nuts holding the wheels. First, you're gonna have to loosen up the tires. So you have to go counterclockwise to loosen up. Let's loosen up a little bit. This way, you're not gonna have problem removing it once the tire is up. You can also do crisscross sequence. So it's loose now. Now, you have to jack it up. Place your jack underneath the steel frame sticking down from underneath your car, around 1/8 inch thick of steel. The steel frame will run from the back of your front wheel to the front of your rear wheel. Never mistaken the steel frame with the plastic cover on the side of your car. If you jack the plastic cover, it can break off. See, the car is okay now, it's loose, right? So put the stand right beside it. See where the steel is? And then hook it up like, dip it like that. Making sure it's right there in place, just in case the jack go down. You have to stand to hold your car up. Nuts are loose. Remove it like that. See, this is a nut. Put inside. Remove the tires like this. Put a nut on. So tighten up by your hand first. This way you don't cross the thread. And then tighten up. Tighten up doing the crisscross sequence. Take the stand out. Lower the jack. You need to see the torque wrench for you to torque all the wheel nuts. Okay, so put it. I always put 100 pounds to be safe. 100 pounds. Tighten them up. See, did you hear the click? It means it reached 100-pound pressure. Tighten up doing the crisscross sequence. You're gonna have to check the pressure. When you open your driver's side door, look down where the door lock is. The tire pressure chart is a sticker on the body of the car. This is a target. So put the thing on. Check my tires. Here, see here. "28." So you have to put more air in it. It's supposed to be 33. Okay, there, see there? 29. Only supposed because you've been sitting for so long, right? To do the other side of your car, the right hand side, you do the same procedure. Have a happy holiday and stay safe.